Okay, today we're talking about simple, compound, and complex sentences. We're going to watch this video to make sure we understand the difference between the three of those. So, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that contains a complete thought. For example, I went swimming today. A sentence because it is a whole thought. For example, went swimming today, period. I went, period. Not sentences because they are not a whole thought. Who went swimming? Went where? There are three types of sentences: simple, compound, complex. A simple sentence contains only one independent clause, whole thought. For example, I went to the park. A compound sentence contains two independent clauses or ideas. For example, I went to the park and I saw a dog. Two independent clauses. Joined with a conjunction. A complex sentence contains at least one independent clause and one dependent clause. For example, I went to the park, an independent clause, running all the way, and a dependent clause. On its own, running all the way is not a whole thought, because we wouldn't know the subject. A dependent clause is one that can't be a sentence on its own. It needs an independent clause to make sense. For example, but couldn't fly. Doesn't make sense on its own. But when you add this independent clause, the bird flapped its wings but couldn't fly, it creates a complex sentence that makes sense. Can you think of an example for a simple, compound, and complex sentence? Well, you're going to get your chance in just a few minutes.